Wisteria Amethyst Falls is a relatively new cultivar of wisteria that was developed at Cornell University. It was introduced in 2006 and has since become popular due to its smaller size and ability to bloom at a young age. It is a hybrid of two American wisteria species. Wisteria Amethyst Falls is a deciduous vine that produces fragrant, lilac-purple flowers in late spring to early summer. The flowers form in large, cascading clusters that can be up to 1 foot long. The leaves are dark green and pinnate with 7 to 13 leaflets per leaf. The vine itself can reach up to 30 feet in length, but Amethyst Falls is a smaller cultivar that typically grows to about 6 to 10 feet in length. Wisteria thrives in full sun or partial shade and prefers moist, well-draining soil. It is adaptable to a range of soil types but prefers slightly acidic soil. The vine is hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9 and can tolerate cold temperatures down to negative 20 degrees. Wisteria Amethyst Falls can be grown on a trellis or pergola, and it pairs well with other flowering vines such as clematis, climbing roses, and honeysuckle. It also looks great growing on a wall or fence where it can provide a beautiful backdrop to other plants. Wisteria is often used as an ornamental plant in gardens, parks, and landscapes. It is also a popular choice for arbors, trellises, and pergolas where it can provide shade and a beautiful display of flowers. The fragrant flowers are attractive to pollinators such as bees and butterflies, making it can also be grown as a bonsai or espaliered against a wall. However, it's worth noting that all parts of the plant are toxic to humans and pets if ingested.